a good question. How to find a good mentor? At the college where you're at, I would talk to your professors that you're taking classes with, and see how they are. If they like to talk to you, they like have stimulating conversations about the subject that's going on. I think these kinds of people make good mentors, because that means that they know a lot. They're informed about their particular discipline. They like to bring in other conversations that they've covered or they've learned about that are not what they may have taught in the classroom. But it's that kind of thing, where you're just talking and learning that lead to good mentoring. In my case, my first mentor, she did that. She showed me how to do some things in the lab, but most of that stuff I also learned by just practicing and doing. But what I enjoyed most about her was her stories. She would tell me about her days working as a scientist in Nevada when they did the atomic bomb testing. She collected the plants that were around the bomb area and would analyze them for their radioactivity or damage to the structure of the plants. And I was just very impressed to hear these stories, because I knew about the atomic bomb testing and all of that, but I just never knew about the biology in terms of research that was going on to see how it affected the ecosystem in the area. And hearing about her stories and her adventures and all of that, to scientific meetings in the various places in the United States, as well as international meetings, as well as recognizing that she published works that made the covers of journals that were very, high impact journals like Science. I mean, I couldn't believe that somebody like that was actually teaching me, and I thought, I am really lucky. And so, yeah, I mean, mentors are people who like to talk and share their experiences and really, and advocate for you and be the kind of people who are going to tell you you can do it and not ever tell you you can't.